Back at the tyres and batteries section of Automechanica Dubai 2019, 1,880 exhibitors from 63 countries are participating in this 17th edition of the Middle East and Africa's largest automotive aftermarket trade fair. And we're at the BKT stand now at the tyres and batteries section. There's almost 250 exhibitors in this particular section. BKT is probably the headline exhibitor. They've been with Automechanica Dubai for many, many years. Also a headline sponsor this year. And I'm with Rajiv Poddar, the Joint Managing Director of BKT. Rajiv, thank you very much for joining us. Now, BKT, of course, you don't really need much of an introduction. I mean, you're quite well known in the market, but for those viewers who don't know, what does BKT do?
So basically, we are a tire manufacturer, as you can see right behind us. So we basically specialize in off-road vehicle category. So that covers everything from agricultural, mining, industrial, construction, ports, ATVs. So we offer you everything apart from on-road vehicles. And that's what we do. That's our bread and butter. So we go right from 5 kilos up to 2.5 tons. That's the expense of our tire.
2.5 tons for one tire. That's quite a big. And I believe you obviously have one here at your stand. But first of all, I mean, you've been exhibiting at Automechanica Dubai for many years. Obviously, this is a pretty important market for you. Let's just talk about the Middle East and Africa and why it's such an important market for BKT.
So Middle East is very, very important. Africa, of course, as well. There's a lot of industrial construction activities going on. Mining, overpit mining, underground mining. So you can't ignore, anybody in the world can't ignore these markets, and BKT is no foreign to that. So that's why it's very important. Automechanica gives us a beautiful platform to come here and exhibit right in the heart of these two important markets. And you get people visiting from both these countries. So you get to really go out and exhibit what you bring to the table to them.
All right, well, let's have a quick look at some of the products. We're going to start on the smaller scale, I suppose, for BKT, and then, of course, we'll work on up. But you're obviously launching some product here. Let's take us through this particular product here.
So basically, as you can see, this one's a multi-purpose truck. So we're launching the radial version for that, 365/80 R20, and it can do all the MPT trucks are covered in this range. And then if we move on, this is the tipper range. The 1200 R24, that's the new launch for us as well. So it covers the tipper trucks. So, right for loading, unloading, and tipping off the dump on it. Or
very much construction facing kind of stuff.
Earth moving equipment. So cover that. We've got the radial version, so you can get more speed, more reliability, more longer life. So that's the key factor of this product.
Okay.
Then if we move ahead, that's again a new launch for us. It's a new pattern. As you can see, this is for telehandling equipments, backhoe loaders. So, again, for the construction applications, it's a big requirement, and we sort of covered it. We had an older version. It's a generation upgrade for us over here.
And then we're coming on to the Big Daddy, but not quite there yet. But what do we got here?
So here again, it's a pattern upgrade. So you've got the new blocks coming in, as opposed to being straighter, as you can see in the other tires. We've got these cuts. So it's just a requirement of the application end user needs. So we've got them in the market now, capturing those particular applications also.
And then the Big Daddy, 2.5 ton behemoth.
So this is the 24R35. We actually go up to 51 inch. So we have the 2.5 ton tires are the ones which are not exhibited here because of, the doors are not
too big.
Yeah, they
can't fit in.
They can't fit in. The doors are not.
So how much does this particular one weigh here?
This one would weigh about 1.4 tons.
So it's still big, isn't it?
It's still big, yeah. You don't want it to fall on you. So yeah, it's big size. And this one again does the earth moving application. So you can use your big dumpers to take the soil, earth out of, or the iron ore or whatever you're mining. Take it and bring it up and put it into the end user's warehouse. So that's what these tires are used for.
Sell this off much in this region, in the Middle East?
This is bread and butter for us in this region, all of Middle East, Africa. This one, the 47 inch, 51 inch. So those are the big tickets for us, big tires.
You currently manufacture out of India, but you also have some big sort of expansion plans happening in the works. Tell us about those.
So we've been talking about expansion. We're looking to our expenditure would be to the tune of about $500 million, phased in a manner of 3 years. So we're doing some upgradation back in India. We're getting into backward integration with carbon black, so we'll be manufacturing our own carbon black for self-consumption. And also we've been looking at, we've got board approval for going overseas for the first time, going to a plant in US. So we are scouting for land in that. and we've not yet finalized the location, but hopefully soon we should be announcing our location.
It's very exciting stuff.
Yeah.
Now, you mentioned before, of course, this region, the Middle East and Africa, is quite an important region. Have you considered potentially in the future establishing a plant here as well?
Too early to say, but never say never. At this stage, we're first looking to go to US, and then how that goes, how it does, and then look at what the future holds for us. But at the moment, there is no commitment to this market for a plant. But yes, our warehouses, distributors are there, wholesalers who are stocking the stuff for us, and they're doing a good job. So we're looking to support them in other ways.
What is the sort of the 5-year growth plan, or even further for BKT? I mean, where do you sort of envisage the future of the company?
So we are at currently about 4 to 5% of global market share for off-highway tire manufacturing. Our target is to take this up to 10%. So, we would be about $700 million. We want to go up to about, that would take us up to, that would equate to about $1.3 billion. So that's where we envisage BKT to be in the next 5 years. So really become a one-stop shop for all off-highway requirements. So, as we're talking about, you could see the progress, and we're talking about the 57-inch, 63-inch coming in. So we're going to cover the entire range for that. So become a one-stop shop for the end user, and become a 10% global market share leader, global shareholder.
That's pretty impressive.
We're working hard towards that. That's our goal.
All right, it's first day here at Automechanica Dubai. Again, you mentioned before, you've been exhibiting here for many years, and it's obviously an important platform for you to kind of reach, I guess, more difficult markets to reach in the Middle East and Africa. How has the show been so far?
Yeah, the show has been, when you come to Automechanica, you know what benchmark you're going to get. And, this is no different. You're getting the crowds in, you're getting quality dealers in, you're getting, useful leads. So you're getting good for business environment. People are talking about business, people are talking about, there are issues in the world, we can't deny that, yes, it's there. But, it's a good platform where you're exchanging ideas, how to deal with it. We understand their problem, they understand our problem, and gives you that, we're getting that traction going through. So yeah, we are quite confident, and Automechanica is one of the best shows in this part of the world.
If there are any particular markets that you would like to kind of expand on, grow and tap into that you haven't quite reached yet, where would they be?
So we are present in over 160 countries across the globe. And
so pretty much got everything covered, right?
Yeah, we are present everywhere. But yes, there are markets like, if you look at, let's look at the market we are in Automechanica. We have a potential to grow in every individual market of these in the Middle East. If you look at Africa, yes, we are good in South, we are good in up to Kenya and all, but up north, Egypt and, Egypt, Sudan and all those areas, we have a potential to grow. Then there is Central Africa, which is today a very challenging market because of, their own issues politically that they're having. So, those are the markets which we look at within this segment of Africa and Middle East. So yeah, there's potential across the globe. As I mentioned, we are only 4% of the global market share, so there's 96% available to us.
Yeah, plenty of room for growth.
Yeah, plenty of room.
Rajiv, thank you very much for your time, and good luck with the rest of Automechanica Dubai.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.